guys, 3.5 inches thick on that one, and I'm hoping once this air dries in a few years, and maybe even kiln dries, I'm not sure what the best way of doing it will be. I would say air drying will probably be plenty for something like this, but it's going to take a long time. Hopefully when all that's done one day, it'll make a really nice joiner plane or a jack plane. This one's been tuned up actually. I use it a lot, and the finished dimensions on this plane, it's 12/4 by 12/4, 3 by 3, and we went 3.5 on this one, which gives us a little leeway there for drying, for finishing to the final thickness. And also, I don't know if you guys picked up on it, but there was a lot of stress on the operator's side when we cut into this. A lot of stress coming out of this timber right here. But we got good medullary raise here on top. And I've not researched that. I know it's medullary raise and oak. And I'm assuming they call that the same thing in beech, medullary raise. So if I'm wrong on that, somebody let me know down in the comments below. But I'm assuming I'm right. So y'all know what I'm referring to, at least when I say the medullary raise. So this is what I'm after when it's dried, a nice joiner plane or jack plane, and hopefully either me or somebody else will mate some of these with this timber. And this is an 8-footer, and this plane is it's almost 24 inches, so you'll get maybe 3 planes out of this one timber right here. Of course, maybe 6. This is 8 inches wide, so probably 6 if the grain is orientated just right here on this side. So let's pull the dust off of it, and we should have some really nice ray fleck right here on top. Actually better than we had on the first slab that we sawed. Should look pretty nice. Let's pull the dust off this one and see how we did. Oh yeah, check it out. All that ray fleck coming up here at the top. Out there at 150 degrees, it's been bouncing back and forth for the past few hours. And I run it at 150 degrees for 24 hours, and that sterilizes the lumber, which means it kills any buds or insects that are inside the wood. You heard that click, that means the heater cut off because we hit 150 again. But what that does is it heats the wood up to 130 degrees, which is what you need to kill the buds in the wood. It needs to get to 130 degrees inside the wood, and 150 degrees will get you there. So this load is finished, and we'll go ahead and shut it off now and open up all the vents and let it kind of cool off on its own for about 24 hours, and then we'll take the wood out. See right there, it bumped back down. It goes back and forth. It really don't matter though, as long as it's around 150, you're good to go. Here's one of the 2 vents on the kiln. This is the intake vent. That opened up so we start getting that hot air out of the kiln and letting that wood kind of cool off a little.